Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Padhoge to Badhoge in Maths Mastery. So we are in continuation of day 4 of the today's session and I'll start with rule and formula. Rule 1 is more worker is less days, more speed, less time, more pipes and less time. Pipes and all I'll practice some questions and answer. Okay. So shortcut we should remember quantity into time is equal to Q1 Q2 into T2. This is also quantity, this is also time. This is a shortcut. We'll see in coming session. I prepared one question like that. If 8 workers complete a job in 15 days, how many days 12 worker will take? Step 1, S1, S2, S3 are steps. Step 1, worker into days is constant. Okay. 8 workers into days, 12 workers into days. Okay. We have to find both are constant. That's why I've written constant. 8 into 15 is equal to 12 into X. We have taken what we have to find the number of how many days will 12 worker will take. So we have find days we have taken X. So X is equal to 8 into 15 by 12. 5 3 is 15. 3 5 is 15, 3 4 is 12, 4 2 is 8, X is equal to 10 days. So this hardly takes 3 seconds, not more than that. Our next question is similar. A car travels a distance of 6 hours at 50 km per hour. How long it will take at 7 km per hour? So travel, okay, travel 6 km. We have to find how long. Long means distance, okay. Let's start. Similar pattern we will apply. Speed. Step 1, speed into time is equal to constant. Speed. Step 2, 50 into 6. First one, okay. 50 into 6. Constant is what? 75 into X. Step 3, X is equal to 50 into 6 by 75. 5 10 is 50. 5 15 is 75. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 50. 3 2 is 6. X is equal to 4 hours. A matter of not more than 4 seconds to 5 seconds. This type of problem question come. It hardly comes with 1 marks question in the exam level. Our next question is, a tank can be filled by 5 pipes in 25 minutes. Okay, this is a tank. 5 pipes can fill this in 24 minutes. How much time will 8 pipes take? Similar for patterns, similar way of solving. Similar pattern because if it makes up man perfect. Okay. So what I have told in the beginning, speed into time is equal to constant. That I have eliminated since we have start practicing and all. Okay. Now my step 1 is I directly write the theory. 5 into 24. 5 into 24 is equal to 8 into X. X is equal to 5 into 24 by 8. 8 is 24. X is equal to 15 minutes. Not more than 3 seconds. This is what happens when you start practicing. So my theory is always practice step by step and formula. This is all for my day 1. I'll continue with day 4 with some more hard question and answer. Okay. If you are viewing my channel, do like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And how is my communication and how do you want to improve me in my further subject? Please do let me know. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.